Established in year 2011, Shenzhen Cardot Electronics Technology Company Limited is a supplier specialized in the research, development, and sales of car alarm, keyless entry, and engine start-stop system, GSM and GPS car security system. We are located in Shenzhen City of China with convenient transportation access. We are near to Hong Kong City. Here we can acquire much excellent commercial and financial development conditions. Our products are produced according to the requirements of international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world. Our main markets are in USA, Russia, Middle East, Southeast Asia, and South America. We have owned professional installation video, installation manual, and owned installation service center in some countries such as Iran and Cambodia. Our brand is Cardot. It is easy to find us in famous researching engine or social media such as Google, Facebook, YouTube. You also can find us in some B2B or B2C websites such as Alibaba, Global Sources, eBay, Amazon, Wish. Each year, we will attend some famous global electronics exhibition, such as International Consumer Electronics Expo Indonesia. We highly appreciate face-to-face business meeting or communication. Our company slogan: quality for survival, innovation for growth, quality production control, guaranteed customer satisfaction. We sincerely hope that you can visit our company to get mutual trustworthy cooperation relationship